In video 3, we discovered that our chessboard was going to be 64 buttons for the main chessboard, with other buttons for more function. Now we need to open that bean and begin making our chessboard. Wait, before we do that, we still need to cover a few more things. We're going to need a name for our computer chess program. I think a good name would be BBgls PROG1. The BBgls will stand for BBgirls, and the PROG1 prog will stand for the first version of our chess program. We have a name. Now let's talk about buttons and tables before we get started. Laughing out loud, I hope everyone knows we're talking about computer buttons and computer tables. Take a look at our BBgirl chessboard. It only has 2 columns and 1 row. So we'll make a table with 2 columns and 1 row. As you can see here, the main chessboard is 1 column. The display board is the 2nd column. There's only 1 row. This might be a good time to look at some of the BBgirl features. The pieces captured display here. Pawns display on the left, pieces display on the right. At the top display, a descriptive notation displayed in the very top display, and an algebraic notation display at the bottom. As you can see, the 2 pawns display at the bottom. And if I take that knight, and he takes mine, take that pawn, the pieces display on the right. Oh, that was a mistake. Well, there's other features here, but we'll get to those later. At last, we're ready to write a little HTML5 markup code. Now, HTML5 is the same as HTML for your web pages. HTML5 just has some additional tags and elements. Now each tag will start with a less than sign and end with a / greater than sign. And in between you have assignments. Type is equal to button, value is equal to space. This is the basic code for a standard button. Now it should help to see this code outside of the NetBeans IDE, Integrated Development Environment. When you look at the basic code outside of the environment, it should make it easier to understand when you begin to add multiple assignments. This button will grow into multiple assignments. Now, we have 1 button, but we need 64 buttons. So what we done down here is that we added another assignment. We added an ID. The ID is assigned to 1, and this will allow us to identify this button. We can identify this button from the other button, the other 63 button. we can call this button is ID1. This is button 1. Now we have a button and we can identify it. We have button 1. But we're gonna need two colors. We're gonna need a light and a dark color. A light color to represent the white and a dark color to represent the black. So we've added another assignment. We've added a class. And we'll assign this class to button 1. And what this will allow us to do is to make a multiple color assignment to all of the button 1 classes. We've added a second button. And of course, this button is button 2. And it's assigned class to button 2, which again will allow us to make a multiple color assignment to all the class button 2 buttons. And now we can have 64 buttons with all unique IDs, alternating light and dark colors, depending on the class. There'll be two classes, button 1 and button 2. Button 1 classes will be light color, button 2 will be the dark color. Alright, now we have 2 of our 4 buttons for our chessboard. We simply need to add 60 more buttons and give each one a different ID assignment. The ID assignment will be 1 through 64. And I'm sure you can understand the logic for these ID assignments. 1 through 64 IDs with 64 squares. Now we'll need to briefly look at the code for our table. But that will be for the next video, video 5. Until then, please like and subscribe, and you can play BBgirl chess online at www.bbgirlsgame.com.